So at o2h, we've got a global team consisting of project managers, salespeople, client services people, but most importantly, developers. The team can do all kinds of development, design and usability testing work. They specialise particularly in web, mobile technologies and also small and large scale software build.
What we found is that a lot of the technologies that we're actually working on and that we're using here both internally and externally for client projects are so new, whether it's the latest JavaScript frameworks like React or Nodes, or some of the DevOps technology stacks like AWS or Azure. Some of these technologies are so new that actually it's better off to take people that just have the right skill sets and the right ability to learn. So, we have a really good system in place now where we take on some of the top talent here locally, and then we train them up through various mentorship programs, both from Europe and also some of the seniors mentoring and shadowing some of the juniors here in Ahmedabad as well. And for us this works. We've got an extremely good team here. We have a world-class team building world-class enterprise technologies.
We're also building a world-class facility here in Ahmedabad that's going to be able to house up to 500 developers, enabling us to be a global leader in software development.
We also have many years experience of setting up our internal training systems. We go to great depth to make sure that every new colleague here at O2h is trained.
So I've been placed in O2h from my campus recruitment from my college, and the journey since last 2.5 years has been amazing. Especially I would say the culture in O2h, the open culture, as you can see, everybody works by sitting on the same bench, and nobody's hesitate to ask any question to any seniors. And this is really amazing, and I think what makes O2h technology different from other software companies in Ahmedabad is attention to detail, which is brave. This is also our core values. So we always try to learn new things. Our mentors, our CEOs, CTOs also encourages us to learn new things, try new things. They always say it's okay to fail, but try new things and learn from it.
I work on different machine learning algorithms, AI chatbot, then I explore the new technologies like big data, Hadoop, and right now working on image processing and then text classification NLP project in O2h technology.
So I have friends in other companies, so when we sit together we discuss about the company culture and things. And when I proudly state that my company doesn't have any cabin systems, any bifurcation, any hierarchy, me, my seniors, we all share the same table. We don't use prefix against their name.
I've worked on a lot of technologies like AWS Cloud, in which I have taken training. I've also taken training in Docker. I've worked on Docker also, and I've learned another web server like Nginx and many more services. If you're not getting anything, if you want trainings, or if you want if you want to attend some kind of seminars to understand this problem, the company will provide.
We are following agile methodology. We have a sprint meeting, we have sprint discussion, we are continuously brainstorming everything.
We work with most of the most modern frameworks and technologies and development languages. However, we do have some core and niche knowledge within, for example, HR technology, recruitment technology, marketing and communications technology because of my background and my colleagues' background. After winning several awards for employer branding projects with people like Motorola and Samsung, I then moved into software and technology builds, having built applicant tracking systems. I worked on job boards, and then finally working on advocacy software. Around developing a team that can develop software with best practice, European best practices and creativity and innovation, but with the high efficiency and the intellectual brains that come out of India and the development capability we have here, and also obviously the cost efficiencies that are associated. And we worked incredibly close with them for 5 years, developing a mindset of attention to detail, best practice, and making sure that we can deliver and actually compete against any country in the world. So anybody that's thinking about developing software using our team, Rest assured, look at any of our products, look at Visibly, look at some of the websites, SaaS builds that we've done. We are more than capable of delivering.
O2h is a really exciting place to be right now. The team are expanding rapidly, brought on by the great work that they're doing and the great feedback we're getting from our range of clients coming from all over the world. We have clients in America, Europe, and even some clients in India as well.